Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Another lovely Saturday morning. We are in White Clay today. We're going to hike a trail. I'm going to stretch my legs a little bit before it gets too hot today. We are on the 8-Min Station Road and we are going to hike Wendel Cassel Trail. See what kind of wildlife we can find and enjoy the serenity of White Clay Preserve. It's very lush and green in here. Not too many people so far. White Clay is a heavily used park, and the best time to come here is early in the morning. It's been very warm the past couple of days, so we're going to go hiking early today. Birds are very vocal this morning. Everything in here is very lush and green. Lots of trees coming down in here. Must have had one heck of a storm here. You can see daylight through the canopy. Got some large chestnut trees knocked over here. Let's take a look at some storm damage here. There's some large beech trees knocked down in here. They're probably a few hundred years old. You can see all the dead trees in here from the infestation. That one broke off up top. That's about 4 feet in diameter. That big tree there. And then behind me we have 2 more beech nut trees. This one didn't actually break off. This one, it just pulled the root ball up. My video starts to look a little foggy. My camera's overheating. I'm trying to keep the heat under control of my camera so we still have a clear video. Alright, let's continue up the trail here, see what else we can find. I am definitely walking in a forest full of giants here. These poplar trees in here are huge. I feel like I'm somewhere up in the northern tier, but I'm not. Some huge trees in here all the way around. There's a rabbit on the trail. Or is that a cat? Not sure, let's see. Yep, that's a rabbit. Here's our first wildlife sighting. Something with 4 legs. Okay, state line crossing into Delaware. We are now going into Delaware. Lots of poplar trees in here. I bet the sun doesn't even really hit the ground in here too much. This would be a cool spot to make a short horror film. Or like a Halloween special. Got a few houses up here. Curious to see where this trail goes. Lots of nice houses in the White Clay Preserve. A lot of gated communities. High-end houses. Let's see what kind of animal tracks we can find in the mud here. There's a big boot. I'm pretty sure that's not Bigfoot. But that's a very large footprint. Not really see many animal tracks there. There's a raccoon track there. There's a dog. Looks like another raccoon. A couple critter tracks in there. I always like to look in them soft areas where there's a lot of mud. See what kind of tracks I can pick out of there. Alright, let's keep enjoying our stroll through the green jungle. Alright, here's a fork in the road. Which way are we gonna go now? I think we're gonna go to the right. Now we're on somebody's driveway. Let's go across the road here and continue down the trail. These definitely don't look like Pennsylvania signs. Yield to pedestrians. Expect and respect others. Much cooler up here once I got out of the bottom down there. Very peaceful in here. I only passed one jogger so far. Imagine this gets a lot of mountain bikers on the trail, judging by how big of a rut is in this trail on the bike tracks. Well, there's another big poplar tree. I wonder how old that is. Stand next to it, you can see how big this is. It's probably about 8 or 9 feet in diameter. It's hard to tell how big this tree is. Back into the green tunnel. Still pretty quiet today. Still no other hikers or mountain bikers. For some reason this side it actually feels a little bit cooler. I don't know why. Maybe there's a small stream down there. There's another bridge. Wendel Cassel WC2. We are going to hide another coffee mug underneath of this bridge. This is coffee mug number 2. Here's my cool sticker on the back. We have a different sticker on the back. This is actually a better one than what's on the first one. If you want to find this coffee mug, you have to come to this bridge in Delaware County. And the number on this bridge, let's see here. The tag on this bridge says Wendel Cassel WC2. So we're going to hide this coffee mug underneath this bridge. There's some mountain bikers coming, so we got to make this quick. So bear with us a couple minutes. Okay, here we go. Wendel Cassel WC2 bridge. Down in here. Lots of pickers in here. Sticking in my legs. Okay, here's a good spot there. Put it upside down. There it is, right there. Right on the edge of the bridge. All you got to do is find it. Reach under there. All you got to do is come here. Look under the bottom of that bridge, and you have yourself a cool coffee mug. Thanks for coming along today. If you like this video, give it a like. It helps the algorithm. Hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. Help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Come look for PA Timber Ghost's coffee mug. And as always, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost.